Don't you tell them your grandkids are sinking? You tell them you're sinking? Yeah. Be careful when you get off.
There's our ship. We better hurry up and get off.
Yeah, we're going to go visit some friends.
This is all the people.
Oh, Sarah, right?
Oh. It stinks, Dylan. Yeah, there's smoke coming out of there. Oh. Okay, there he's got the... He opened up for the... That must be the fire extinguisher up there. I'm surprised it didn't go faster. Here, you can carry this.
Several men to get them off.
See, there's our ship. There's our ship, Dylan. But that's where all the fire is on. That's the platform right there. Okay.
It's a real bad party.
Whoa!
The children insisted they go.
That was a bump.
Maybe they wanted to
We had a bump. Yay! See, everybody's glad we didn't sink.
Well, this boat will be out of commission. Yeah.
We can go get a mudslide, Dylan. Oh. We're going. Go ahead. No, go ahead. Okay. See, there's the fire underneath. Right underneath there. Woo.
Okay, move. One at a time. Okay. You first, ma'am. You second. Thank you, ma'am.
Whoa. Whoa, Dylan. What's its number? Number 20. Okay. We're safe. We're not drowning anymore.
Dino.